In the high-stakes world of life sciences, quality is not just a priority, it's a way of life. But managing complex quality systems can be a colossal challenge. Relying on outdated paper-based systems or Excel sheets puts compliance, efficiency, and ultimately traceability at risk. Introducing the integrated digital platform, developed using Contineo, a transformative solution that's elevating quality management in the life sciences industry. IDP's suite of applications, fully compliant with 21 CFR Part 11, is transforming the way you work. Before IDP, we were drowning in paper logbooks and struggling to maintain compliance. Now everything is digitized, integrated, and at our fingertips. We can measure effectiveness of CAPA based on the empirical evidences backed by data. Compliance is no longer a burden but a competitive advantage with IDP. Adhering to ALCO Atlas principles and automating audit trails, you can navigate regulatory demands with confidence. At the heart of IDP are three game-changing applications: the QMS Logbook, Virtual Document Cell, and Production Logbook. Let's explore how these are revolutionizing quality management. Not only that, you can create your own 21 CFR Part 11 compliant applications to suit your needs. The QMS Logbook is your central hub for quality management. From CAPA and change control to process deviations and market complaints, it's all here in one integrated system. With the QMS Logbook, we've eliminated data silos. Whether it's an out-of-specification result or a product recall, we can track, manage, and resolve issues faster than ever before. Next, meet the Virtual Document Cell, your solution to document chaos. Finding documents used to be like searching for a needle in a haystack. With VDC, we can now locate any document in seconds. Employees can easily request documents, administrators can track their issuance, and automatic notifications keep us updated on review or destruction dates, ensuring we're always audit ready. VDC not only stores your documents but also manages their entire life cycle, storing, issuing, reconciling, and destroying, ensuring compliance and minimizing risk. Let's look at the Production Logbook, your all-in-one solution for manufacturing excellence. The Production Logbook has transformed our operations. We track equipment cleaning, calibration, maintenance, qualification, and production runs all in one place. It's even helped us identify and resolve bottlenecks we didn't know existed. With multi-level workflows and comprehensive tracking, the Production Logbook ensures accountability and compliance at every step of your manufacturing process. IDP, along with the applications, form a powerful integrated ecosystem. They're not just digitizing your processes, they're optimizing them. Since implementing IDP integrated with our ERP, we've seen a 70% reduction in paper usage, and our last FDA audit was the smoothest we've ever experienced. Imagine a world where quality data is centralized, workflows are automated, and teams make informed decisions with real-time information and analytics. Contineo's integrated digital platform empowers management to take proactive, data-driven actions. IDP has given us the visibility and control we needed. My team can now focus on driving continuous improvement, not just keeping up with paperwork. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of quality management in the life sciences industry? Contact us today to schedule a personalized demo of Contineo's integrated digital platform.